Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stay safe and avoid scams on FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a trusted platform for remote, freelance and flexible jobs, and all jobs listing are hand-screened to prevent scams. But even on FlexJobs, it's important to know what to look for to protect yourself on your career. On a FlexJob, all jobs are pre-screened, but always check for the FlexJobs verified badges. This ensures the employer have been reviewed and vetted. Avoid listing without clear details or company information. You can simply open your Chrome browser or Safari, and in the top search bar type down flexjob.com and enter it. And over here, when you reach into this interface of the FlexJob, you can find all of this remote, hybrid or flexible jobs over here. And no legitimate FlexJob listing will also ask you to pay for training, software, job placement. If a recruiter requests money upfront, it's a scam even on a trusted platform. And you can click on the company name on FlexJob and visit the official website or LinkedIn page. Make sure company exists and has a professional online presence. And fake companies often have no clear contact information or online footprint. And if a job promises huge pay for very little work or ask for personal information too soon, be careful. Even on FlexJob, trust your instinct. Legitimate jobs will follow standard hiring process, and that is how you can avoid scams on FlexJob while finding real remote jobs. Always stay alert, verify listing, and apply safely. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.